Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we are working on a necklace here that is, I think, just broke or popped. At least that's... Oh, what the fuck? Oh no. They did not. I think they did. Alright, these two links here are going to be no good, because they glued them together. See, we could have used this link here, but the fact that they glued this to that link, both these links are going to have to come out. Because as soon as you put fire to that, that glue's going to catch on fire. Ain't that a bitch? This is why you do not put glue on your jewelry, people, unless it's costume jewelry. If it's real, if it's silver, it's gold, just get it fixed the right way. Man, why would you do that? It sure as hell is. That shit is glued on there, boy. Alright, we're gonna have to take them two links out, because them two links are no good. Like I said, we could use this link here if it wasn't glued to this. But as soon as I take these two links out, I'm gonna set that on fire just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Wow, that sucks. Alright. It's not how I was planning on starting this video. Hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. What can you do? Right? Right. So let's go ahead and get those out of there. We'll cut the link there on the side. Try to get this bitch out of here. Come on, get out. Get out, dang it. Don't be stubborn. There we go. Alright, let me go ahead and link this together, and then I'll show you guys what happens when you glue, why those links had to come out, because glue catches on fire. So we went ahead and put that back together. We'll go ahead and get some our locking tweezers here so that we can get ready to weld that. Okay, now yeah, them suckers are glued together, boy. Look at that. What a bizotch. Alright, now here's what we're going to do. Let me go and get the torch started here. If it'll start. Maybe it won't. You know what? It might help if I turn the tanks on, huh? That usually helps. I'm surprised that the well, there's still a little bit of propane in the line, so yeah, the propane would fire up, but when I went to turn the oxygen on, and it wasn't there. I was like, huh, might help if you turn it on. See, now watch this. I'm gonna zoom you guys in real quick. This is why you don't ever want to glue your stuff together, because whatever you glue, it's gonna have to come out, because the jeweler that's gonna fix it can't heat it with that glue. Because here's what's gonna happen. Watch this glue. Did you see how it just toasted that shit? Just made it all fucking black and dirty and nasty. That's why I'm surprised it didn't catch fire. It must not have been that much on there. A lot of times the glue will catch fire. But yeah, don't ever do that. That is bad. That is not good. But yeah, them links are ruined there. Okay, at any rate, let's get to welding this one here. But you see how fast that shit turned ugly? Turned ugly and melted. It got hot enough that it melted part of the link. Alright, let's get us some... I know I'm kind of doing this backwards, but we'll put some flux on there first. Then we'll dip some boric acid denatured alcohol on there. Okay. And then it looks like my... Start the torch back up here. Okay. Let's go ahead and light that up and burn that off. Alright, where's our piece that we just cut? There it is. Okay. Let me go ahead and get you guys zoomed in here. You bizzatch. Did not go where we wanted. That it did not. Yeah, that jumped on us a little bit. Let's grab our solder here. There we go. That went through. Alright. Now do you see how... See, now look at this. Look at that link. See how still yellow, nice, clean looking? And then look what the glue did to these. Just about burnt the shit out of them. So even though the glue didn't catch fire, I thought there was more on there than there was. It still gets super hot, and it just torches the links. And those links are just no good anymore. So don't use glue, people, unless it's costume jewelry. If it's fake jewelry, costume jewelry, something like that, then you can. Not a big deal. But otherwise, man, this thing has been stretched to shit. Look at these links. Look how they're all twisted up. Hold on, let's undo this real quick. Let's just see. Oh yeah, this thing has been stretched. Look how them links just twist on each other, boy. Yeah, this thing has got yanked on badly. Look at them links, boy. They're all twisted up. Alright. Well, we got her back together. We got the bad links out of there. Let's go ahead and clean this link up here. Alright guys, that was pretty quick and simple. Now we'll drop this into ultrasound, let it clean up a little bit, and then we'll go polish her up, man. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we are ready to get this thing polished up. We'll start with where we welded it together here. As soon as we find it, there it is. Okay, now kind of hit the clasp and the ends, and then we'll get the rest of the chain here. Alright, let's kind of hit the rest of this chain here. Now the links are kind of twisted, so hopefully they're not going to twist on us too badly here. Hopefully. side here. Or I mean on the same side, but just going back the opposite direction. I like to go both directions on the same side, just to make sure we cover everything. Yep, just trying to flip around on me there. Okay. Now we'll do this other side. Alright guys, it almost looks like a brand new necklace here. Alright, what we'll go ahead and do is we'll go ahead and go drop this in ultrasound, and then we'll come back and look at finished product, guys. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back with that chain. You can see we got a nice clean and polished. Got it looking good, man. Here's where we fixed it right there. You almost can't even tell, really. But yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in. This is the Gangster Jeweler. If you'd like and subscribe, that would be fantastic. If you'd like to leave a tip or donation, the links for that will be down in the description. Although it's not required, this helps the channel grow and show some love. Also, if you'd like for me to do your repairs, you can visit my Etsy shop. I'll have that down in the description. And then also, if you're a business in the Jacksonville or Orange Park area and would like for me to start doing your repairs, shoot me an email. I'll have that down in the description. And then also, if you'd like to check out my live streams, you can check that out as well. I have those all down in the description as well. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. This is the Gangster Jeweler, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care, y'all.